Assalamualaikum and hi. We chose Vitagen company for our mini project. So this is company background. In 1969, Malaysia's milk sodium berhad is incorporated to distribute products by Malaysia Dairy Industries. In 1977, manufacturing operation begins on prime industrial land in Petaling Jaya. Vitagen introduced in Malaysia as the first cultured milk drink in the market. While in 2012, a new manufacturing plant in Kapar, Klang begins operations. After close to 40 years of operation in Petaling Jaya, the new manufacturing plants combine new state-of-the-art equipment with decades of firm commitment to quality.
Vitagen factory location is located in Sungai Kampar, Indah, Selangor. Based on our research of the plant's location information, it is in a strategic area and suitable for the industry. The factor influencing the location of the plant is the transportation facilities. The factory area is located close to port sites such as Northwest Depot Sdn Bhd. This is to lift the stock of raw material, namely milk, imported from New Zealand and raw materials for product packaging. So, the method of transportation used will be easier to decide. Therefore, this will ensure a constant supply of materials and will reduce transportation costs compared to production costs. Thus, it can further increase the profitability of the product. The next factor is the supply of labor required by the factory area is close to residential areas, which are usually occupied by locals. So, it is easier to find local factory workers who can work on a regular basis because it is close to their homes. Therefore, the cost to transport workers to the factory will be cheaper. Another factor that affects the location of this plant is also the proximity to the market. We found that the factory area is close to several supermarkets. Among the supermarkets are Pasar Raya Matahari Klang Utama, Maden Klang and Ayong Big Klang. Therefore, shipping costs can be reduced for the delivery of products to the market. In fact, it can give the advantage that the stock delivery service will be faster to customers. This type of plant layout is a product layout. It is the arrangement of workstation in a row by which material flow from one area to another. The layout of this product in the form of a line, that is the first step for the production process of Vitagen, is to start with the process of raw ingredient mixed with clean filtered water. This is followed by sterilization, culture tank, mixing and storage tank, injection blow molding machine, filling and packaging machine, bottle storage tank, and finally the evaporation process and ready for delivery. Factor influencing the layout. First, material. It will follow the specific size, volume, shape and weight characteristic. The Malaysian Milk Sdn Bhd company has produced Vitagen products that are small in size and shape in large quantity, which affect the manufacturing methods and material handling processes. Second, machinery. All information to produce Vitagen product will be recorded, and the use of machine and tools will also be researched in advance. Third, labor. Knowing the production process of food products needs to follow the correct sequence and be carried out using machines. It also shows that academic qualification is not important to be a worker at their factory. Some job specifications might be considered, such as the skill to handle.
Next, work environment and plant utility. Malaysia meets Sdn Bhd as produce products that meet the current requirements to comply with certain products, standard and labeling requirements for a product. The availability of advanced technology is one of the most important environmental forces. It should keep abreast of current developments in the use of the latest technology. The use of Vitagen research and development laboratories needs to be handled by the best staff to produce new and innovative products. Next, to use the appropriate technology to improve the process efficiency of the factory and indirectly be able to save the cost required to produce a high-quality product. Last, the pipe that passes through the milk will be cleaned with a flow until it is clear to produce a unique taste.
Industrial safety in the factory. First, inform the dangerous situation to the supervisor. Watch out for things that can cause bad things to a person. Let the boss know if something bad happens. The boss will intervene because he or she has a legal obligation to keep our situation and that of co-workers safe while at work. Second, use machines, tools, and equipment in the right way. The leading cause of injuries in the industry that is common is the misuse of machines and tools. We must make sure that we use every piece of equipment that works. Also check and clean the equipment periodically to confirm that the equipment is safe before use it. Third, wear protective equipment. Wear appropriate safety equipment when cleaning dirty and when using the machine. Be sure to wear the correct safety equipment because this can reduce the chance of injury. Fourth, prevent slips and trips. This is important to ensure lanes are always free and spaces are cleaned up frequently to prevent workers from slipping. Damaged floors also need to be replaced so that unwanted things do not happen. Fifth, remove any impediments from work areas and emergency exits. Any clutter should be removed that could obstruct emergency exits, work areas or equipment closures. Place equipment in designated storage place after each use to help keep the work area and emergency exits clear. 6. Fire risk must be eliminated. Flammable materials should be stored in a safe storage space that has been set away from source of ignition when no longer in use. Flammable waste can also be stored in metal bins and disposed of daily. 7. Don't keep track of hazardous materials. Ensure that work area mats are maintained and kept clean. To avoid cross-contamination, use separate cleaning materials such as mops for various mix-up and change clothes if you drop risky items on them. 8. Make certain no object fall. To keep objects from falling, arthritis needs 2 boards and 2 rails. In addition, put heavy objects on lower shelf and stack boards vertically. And lastly, take an occasional break from work. When employees are tired and unable to detect risk in the environment, many workplace injuries can occur. Taking regular breaks will help employees stay alert while working.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Vitagen. I would like to present the last part is materials handling tools available in Vitagen factory. The first tool is different type of machines. The tool is available because these machines are used for Vitagen manufacturing processes. Second is storage tank. This material also available in Vitagen because the Vitagen needed to be stored under 4 Celsius so that it can stand for at least 6 weeks before packaging and make deliveries out of the factory. Third is vertical seal shrink packaging machine. This shrink packaging make the film completely tight and fit in the product. Fourth tools is electric power pallet truck. This also available in Vitagen factory because this tool is used to make it easier for workers to lift pallets containing Vitagen to be transported into refrigerated trucks. And the last tool is refrigerated delivery trucks and vans. This is to ensure that the quality of Vitagen is guaranteed and always in a good condition. That's all from me. Thank you.